Baking bread is one of my favorite things. It's just the most satisfying thing to make. The smell of fresh bread cooking, there's nothing better. And this recipe is great because you can eat it even if you are in the middle of nowhere on day 6 of a camping trip. You can actually have fresh bread right on your campsite. So I know you're gonna love this recipe. So shall we do it? Yeah? Let's do it. So yeast is what gives your bread the rise, and it also gives it that really great bread smell. When yeast cells are activated, they eat sugars and they release alcohol and carbon dioxide, and the release of that gas is what causes your dough to rise. So here in our mixing bowl we have 2 1/4 cups of warm water. To that we're going to add our sachet of yeast, and to that we're going to add for food 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now just give that a little stir and leave it for 5 minutes, and it should start to bubble, which tells you that the yeast has been activated. Once your yeast starts foaming, you add a tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 6 1/4 cups of flour. So once you have your dough nicely incorporated, you're gonna turn it out onto a floured surface, and you're gonna knead it for like 8 to 10 minutes. Now, I know this may seem like an impossible task while you're camping, but I have a little roll-up pastry sheet. It's just a plastic sheet which I put in my backpack, and I just roll it out on a picnic table and go for it. And now what you do is you pop it back in your bowl and cover it with a wet tea towel, and we leave it for anywhere from 40 minutes to an hour. So this is our dough. It's doubled in size, and what we're going to do now is turn it out onto our floured surface, and we're going to knock it down. And today we're going to make a braided campfire bread. So what I want to do is divide this dough into 3 equal pieces. So we've divided our dough into 3 equal parts. It's a lot of bread and a lot of dough. Feel free to see the recipe in the description and half or quarter it if you need less bread. At this point you can also form it into a round bread, a loaf, buns, anything you like. What we're going to do is we're going to attach those 2 together there, and we're going to braid our 3 pieces. And then we're going to twist it around and pop it into our Dutch oven, connecting them at the edge. Now we're going to leave this to double in size again. Once your bread dough has doubled in size, you want to put it on the fire, but you want to get an even bake. So we're going to take some coals and lay them on the top and all around the sides, just so the bread is able to bake evenly and brown on top. There we have our amazing campfire bread. thank you so much for watching today. We really enjoyed making bread with you, and I hope you're going to go out and try making bread. If you have a recipe you'd like us to try, please share it with us. We'd love to hear from you. And also, if you'd like more free campfire recipes, subscribe and we'll send them along. Thank you. Bye.